Question 8. For this question, we're going to evaluate each of the statements and use the process of elimination. So F says, my parents, as artists, were eager to have their children out discovering beauty in the pedestrian, complexity in the mundane. So this one is going to be the right answer, because if you remember back to the first passage, what he's trying to get his children to do is train them to see the effects of the wind. He calls it wind watching, so that he can find wonder even in a stack of newspapers being blown about. That's why the right answer is going to be F. G, we didn't have to behave. This has nothing to do with passage A, and that's why we're going to eliminate it. H, my parents believed that embedding beautiful designs in the asphalt and the sidewalks was a quintessentially democratic political act. Now, if I was a betting man, I would say that most students who didn't pick F would probably pick H, in part because of the length and because it sounds kind of like the first passage. But the issue here is that this brings in a political element, namely that these sorts of acts are democratic acts that simply isn't present in the first passage. And so the first passage has no interest in the construction or the architecture. Rather, it's more focused on the natural world and the effect that it can have. And that's why H is going to be out. And then J says, to me, the very idea of street furniture was thrilling. This is absolutely nothing to do with the first passage. That's why we're going to eliminate J, leaving F as the right answer.